Welcome back to another episode of the Booty Evening Show. Today we'll be covering the top 5 stocks that are currently trending right now. These 5 stocks are GME, AMC, Nokia, BlackBerry, and FUBO. As you guys can see here with the meme, hold the line Spartans. I was going to do a voiceover for that, but my voice is hurting doing it. And I look and sound is stupid, so completely cut that out. But if you have not heard the phrase, hold the line, you are probably living under a rock, because this phrase has been all over the internet, whether that's Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, it doesn't matter. It's been everywhere. So today I'll be covering the technical analysis side for these 5 stocks. So, if you're still holding these stocks, you might want to take a look at this to see if the technical analysis match the philosophy or not. To start out, we'll be looking at GME. This is the crazy stock that went on from like $17 to almost $500-600 in a matter of 2 weeks. So as you guys can see here, pumped all the way up to close to $520. Came back down, came back up, bounced. So we are in a bullish pendant right now. So as you guys can see here, after hour, it looks like GME is trying to break to the downside here, which is not looking very pretty. If you are trying to hold the line, this is the line you're holding. This trend line right here, you guys. So if this trend line breaks, it may be real tough for GME. We may have a drop all the way down to the 160 area, and all the way after that would be the 100 area. So if you're trying to hold the line, it is more important now than ever to hold the line, because if this line rips tomorrow, if we open under this line, this thing may be going down big time. So next up we'll be looking at is AMC. AMC has the same, similar pattern as GME as well. We get a pump up, and now we are in this bullish pendant. Same thing, hold the line. This is your trend line you need to hold. If this trend line breaks, you are going down all the way to the $8, and then all the way to $5 after that. Let's take the daily chart doesn't look too well here, but AMC, this is the line you need to hold. Hold the line. This is your trend line. You need to hold that. If not, you better grab your stuff and start packing out. Next stock we'll be looking at will be Nokia. So Nokia here has a weird pattern here, but this is a head and shoulder pattern, and basically this is the right shoulder right here, and it has a pendant right now, symmetrical triangle. So this is what we'll be watching tomorrow, see if this thing breaks. If this thing breaks to the upside, I mean, that's bullish. If it breaks to the downside, that's bearish. And we are right on a nice demand zone here. So as long as even 450 holds, this is looking pretty good. But if 450 breaks, we'll probably get a drop to $4, and if we break above $5, we'll probably see a run all the way to 520, and then let's see, 550 and $6. So Nokia is one that's a little more or less bearish than the others, so we'll see where this thing goes. The next stocks we'll be looking at will be BlackBerry. So BlackBerry is the same, has a little bit different pattern than all the other ones. It's actually a falling wedge. Normally these falling wedge are pretty bullish. We want to see one more retest of this trend line. If BlackBerry can drop to this line right here, and if you guys hold the line, we may get a bounce, and if the bounce happens, this may shoot up, but this line needs to hold. With that, just watch these 2 lines. If this top line breaks, then we're going up, but if this line breaks on the bottom side, this is going down. Last stock we'll be looking at is FUBO. This is actually my favorite setup out of all of them. FUBO has a big symmetrical triangle forming here, and we're getting the pump up, and we retested this trend line here. So now we're coming back down, coming back up. So let's see if we can retest this trend line one more time tomorrow. If not, expect a pullback all the way down to the 30s and 40s basically. The 40 was really nice bounce here. We caught a swing on this play. On the 40 bounce as well, because this was where the heavy support 9 EMA, the 0.618 fib level. So it was a very nice support area. But now FUBO, if we break this 57.76 level, we will hit all-time high, and 65 will be your first price target, 69 will be next. But it will be a tough task to try to break all this because it has ran a lot recently. So be careful when you're in these stocks. So FUBO is my favorite stocks to watch. So with all those 5 stocks that I just went over, if you are in any of these stocks, be very careful. If these breaks, it's going down, and it's going down hard. So if you're holding the line, you better hope everyone else is holding the line, because if somebody else let go of that line, this thing is going down. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you are interested in joining our trading group, link is also in the description. We've been killing it every single day, so don't miss out. We have a 7-day free trial. Did I mention 7-day free trial? 7-day free trial. So check us out. Have a great rest of your trading week. Thank you.